How to set up vocal shortcuts for iPhone in iOS 18. Let's get started. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility. Now here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under speech, you'll find the option of vocal shortcuts. Click on that. Now from this page, you are able to set up vocal shortcuts. Click on the option Set up vocal shortcuts. You'll choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. Click on Continue. Now here you're gonna find tons of options. Choose your action. Now add a speakable phrase that is unique to this action to run it. After you type and click on Go. After you spell out that phrase for 3 times, your action will be ready. Click on Continue, and just with that you have set up vocal shortcut. You can also set up other vocal shortcut by clicking on the option Add Action and going through the same process. So this way you can easily set up vocal shortcuts for iPhone in iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.